Hello everyone, I'm Laura from the Innisfil ideaLAB and Library, and thanks for joining me for this week's Sustainability Spotlight. The fall is a great time to start an indoor gardening project, but if you're anything like me and don't exactly have a green thumb, it's hard to know where to start. Thankfully, we have a wide variety of books at all 4 of our branches to help you get started with your indoor gardening journey. There are books for beginners, like How Not to Kill Your Houseplants, to advanced miniscapes and terrariums. You can learn how to grow your own food inside during the winter, or simply beautify your space using gardening tips and tricks from local authors like Frankie Flowers, or international authors like Camille Solarol and Fran Bailey. To find the book that would best help you, log on to our catalog at innisfil.bibliocommons.com. You can search by subject, type in your keywords, and scroll through the results until you find one that catches your eye. Then click on the title to find out more information, like which branch the book is located at and where it can be found. You can even put the book on hold where you will be notified by phone or email when it is ready to pick up from the branch of your choice. Another great resource to check out is the Innisfil Seed Library. The website innisfilseedlibrary.ca and the YouTube channel Mindful Gardening are a great place for gardeners to find information, whether you're a beginner or more experienced. If you would like to share your indoor gardening projects with us at the library, or what books you're currently enjoying, please tag us at Innisfil ideaLAB on social media or email me at ljefffery@innisfilidealab.ca. Thanks for tuning in and keep an eye out for more Sustainability Spotlight videos on Fridays this fall. Take care!